know somebody that does? Well, a solid axle?
Yeah.
Or
straight
Right.
axle.
straight axle?
So you're going to want to use some water to make sure there's no sand around the bead.
I'm running a Toyota on the front.
Oh, already?
No, I need to. That's what I'm gonna do.
Just go Dana 30.
I was told the Dana 40 for the front would be a lot stronger.
44.
Make sure there's no sand. It's going to keep it from sealing.
Well, the Toyota axle has got. It's
You don't want your air ready?
That's what I already have on the rear.
I think I got somebody with one.
Because my dad's already got his for his tractor. He's got
Hold
full
that
set.
You got to get your starting fluid.
Yeah. Just so I have it, so then when I
Highly flammable things, you just need
This is the
a
part
tiny,
where you put,
tiny bit.
This is the part where you put your
in the
safety
rear, it's a
glasses
spring
on.
under, and I'm gonna run into a
Yeah,
spring
so
over.
just you want to make sure there's a lot of air in there to mix the two compounds properly. And make a nice little safe line off to the side. Stand back. Nailed it. Kind of loud. Blow out the flames. And you gotta start putting air in it.
Of course, fire
Because
extinguisher.
the hot air is gonna contract and try to take the tire back
inside
off.
the cab?
It's probably already at like 60 psi.
To do it.
You gotta get one like mine.
And that's
Just
it.
make it
That's how you
2
reset a
PSI per
bead.
minute.